scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Solubility problems can be tricky, but we can solve this fast by looking at the enthalpy values provided in the data table right now. First, check the enthalpy of solution for each compound. Sodium fluoride has a positive value, meaning it is endothermic, while magnesium fluoride has a negative value, making it an exothermic process. According to Le Chatelier's principle, adding heat shifts endothermic reactions toward the products. This means increasing the temperature will only increase the solubility for sodium fluoride because it absorbs that extra energy. Since magnesium fluoride is exothermic, its solubility actually decreases with heat. That makes option A our final winner for this chemistry challenge today. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs carefully and always trust given data to avoid a rush.